obviously you can see from the mask that we take this very seriously. So I'm going to take it off just for these videos, but one of the things that is very important to us is, and number one, is our safety, and safety of our employees, the safety of our customers, and the safety of the employee's family. So we're very fortunate that we have Sercel as our parent company. They've been able to help us put in place a plan here within our facility and our facilities around the world that has mitigated any potential risks as much best we can for the COVID-19. So we social distance, mask, we do all the things that you should be doing as an employee as well as an individual when it comes to watching the health and welfare of our employees. From a customer standpoint, I think it's real important to know that we actually are back in our offices. We had been working remotely for about 2 months, the administration. We've never shut down our factory, although we did reduce our hours. So effective August 1st, we have our team back in the office full time. We have all of the manufacturing, quality, engineering team here full time, which is very much improve the productivity of working remotely. So we're ready. We're building inventory. We're going to stay safe, keep our employees safe, and when our field people go to the field, even within customer visits, all of the protocols are in place. So we're positioned, I think, to go forward from this point on. We've been very fortunate to have a strong leadership team here for a number of years. One of the things that we have been trying to do is get closer to the customer. The ability to understand our global customers and to meet that customer demand both on our existing products and our new products is critical to our success. I'm very pleased with the team we have, but we really did need someone to take on the role of managing and working with our key original equipment manufacturers, key customers, the big users of ESPs, artificial lift around the world, and specifically in the US. And so Willie's experience, 30 plus years in artificial lift, recently very close to sensor manufacturing and operations with another company. He's very networked into the organizations around the world. And he's also a person that will fit well on our team. So I'm thrilled to have Willie on the team. In Sercel-GRC, it's a team sport. You know, we have a very participating management group, and Willie's going to fit in just extremely well with that team. So we're looking to grow our business, work with our new customers, with our existing customers to do what's required to meet their demands and to exceed their expectations.
To be an industry leader in the oil and gas pressure sensing, quality has to be at the forefront for any manufacturer. Sercel definitely does that, and I have seen that with the team and different product design. When I came to Sercel, and they introduced me to the product, the design requirements, the workmanship aspects, and various other quality control checks that we have in our production. That definitely showed that yes, we are at the forefront of our quality and our requirements over there. Also, when we manufacture our gauges, we calibrate them to multiple temperature and pressure points, which is above and beyond what is there technically done in the industry over here to improve our accuracy, to improve the reliability of our product, so that we can give a quality product to our customer that we can stand behind over there. Our design process, yes, with Sercel part is that we follow AWES protocol over there for the qualification of the complete gauge. Over here locally, we actually have a simulated environment where we have a motor that is used for the oil for the artificial lift, where we're able to simulate the actual working environment that our gauges would see in the field. And that would help us understand, is our design, is it meeting the actual requirements of the customer? Is it able to withstand the industry expectations over there? And how can we keep on continuously improving our products over there in terms of design aspects and making sure that we have a reliable and robust product for our customer. So when the SPY Pro 11 system, when we made a decision to do a upgrade on that, we took a holistic approach. We just did not upgrade on just one particular section, whether it's mechanical or electrical. We did a holistic approach over there and upgraded both the components. Mechanically, we improved our design by incorporating the motor fittings and flange heads over there and commonization of the what customer expects over there, so that they have a smaller component that goes into the system. We did a casting rails which improved our shock and vibrations testing reliability, so we can withstand now much more higher shock and vibrations over there. Electronically, we designed our own ASIC, which is application specific integrated circuits, which is brains of our gauge. We did the complete redesign of, we did a specific design, custom design for our product, which helped us improve the reliability of product, improve the lifetime or lifetime of the part over there, increase the thermal capabilities and withstand operating higher temperature ranges, and improve the accuracy of the product so that we have a much more reliable product over there. And we reduced our design aspects so that we have less components which are failing, so we improve the overall reliability of our gauge. ASIC would definitely be the differentiator, where we have a new IC which is custom designed for Sercel, driven by the Sercel engineering team, looking at what we need for our product and have a common design block that we can use for multiple of our parts, which has a very high temperature ratings, and we are using a hybrid design package over there, so which increases our operating temperature ranges. And because it's a custom product, we made sure that we are having a higher accuracy aspects of it, resolution over there, so that we have a much better product that we can deliver to our customer.
GRC, as one of the largest independent ESP sensor manufacturers in the world, is focused today, based on the trends of our oil and gas industry, on cost saving. So most of our initiatives with this upgraded ESP SPY Pro sensor are focused on saving cost, reducing pricing, and becoming very competitive in the marketplace. Now, the second goal behind that is to add and commit to maintain the features that we have on our SPY Pro gauge to extend the usability of this sensor in the pre-production stages of the life cycle of a well. So what Willie brings to GRC is a broad network of contacts and leads from his past experience in the artificial lift ESP sensor market. And with that, we expect to see an upgraded strategy towards our US customers in turn of our ESP business plan. So with the current market landscape and our customer being very sensitive to investing in inventory, what we are doing today is changing our strategy from a order to purchase to an order to stock. Okay, so we're just gearing up our inventory, making sure we're going to seize some of the restrictions that our customers have of having inventory, and we're allocating that inventory in the specific regions so it will be there available same day for our customers' needs.
GRC has a long history in the provision of quality and reliable sensors in the artificial lift industry. We have lots of opportunities for growth. The focus is to align with artificial lift suppliers and operators alike to ensure that we're positioned well to provide the technology that they require in order to maximize the value of their assets. So our capability to provide differentiating and competitive technologies applies for all artificial lift applications, from these small lower end type low producing wells right up to offshore and subsea applications where workover costs are significantly higher. So in terms of growth, I'm greedy. I would like it all. So I think because of the wide range of products and services that we're positioned to supply, and with the technology roadmap that we lined out, we have the opportunity to play across the whole of the US. I already talked about the applications that we're well suited to. That remains true for all artificial lift providers and for operators alike. So with the obvious impact from COVID-19, the virus has affected us all, particularly in the oil and gas segment. There is a drive towards more remote operations and more remote control. So the move to the digital oil field will accelerate, and as it accelerates, we'll be well positioned to provide the good quality and reliable data that all remote operations fundamentally rely on to make adjustments to the operations. So the drive to remote operations can have a number of distinct advantages for operators and users alike. Remote operations obviously will mitigate HSE risks, should make operations a lot safer, and the ability to provide good quality data is fundamental to allowing those remote operations. The benefit is, of course, is to take good quality, reliable data, interpret that data, and intelligently manipulate the output to make informed decisions on how to maximize value of assets from a productivity standpoint and from a lifting cost standpoint. So I have a long history with artificial lift. In fact, the majority of my working career has been built around artificial lift operations. So I believe that I can bring some strengths to build upon Sercel-GRC's progress in this field and this marketplace. And so I'm pleased that they offered me the opportunity and look forward to contributing towards their continual growth.